Welcome to 1CW Question. I'm your host, Vince, VE6LK, and today my very special guest is Dan Presley N7CQR. Dan is the president of the Portland Amateur Radio Club. He loves playing QRPCW. He's been licensed a very long time, and he's a professional jazz musician, and he has helped others learn CW. Dan, what's your one best tip for a new CW learner?
Practicing. The best way to practice is something I pioneered with my music students. Most people, when they set aside practice time, they charge right to their instrument or to their key and start practicing. So what I suggest people do is exactly what you would do for a sporting event or something else. Sit down, put on your headphones, and listen to a couple of minutes of CW on air or online before you even touch the key. Don't worry about what's being sent. Don't try to analyze it. Don't try to head copy it. Just listen and let it wash over you. And it's amazing what that will do to kind of help open up the brain. It's just like stretching before you go out on the golf course or the tennis court. It just opens up your mind and relaxes, and it's amazing the difference that it will make in allowing you to practice.
Well, Dan, that's awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming out today. 73?
73.